Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to give a quick update, the latest on the 24 F150, my daily driver. I just recently ran a new personal best. Truck went a 1092 at 129, almost 130 miles an hour. So still basically the same combination. Got the Magnuson 2650, 84 millimeter pulley, stock throttle body. Cold air is the PMAS DIY kit, 120 millimeter. Truck still has the Stainless Works long tube headers on it. With the stock catback, it did have a MagnaFlow, just a little too much drone, so I decided to put the stock catback on the truck, just to keep it a little quieter. One thing that I did just recently upgrade is I did a 4 Innovations twin pump setup. So you can see here, got the regulator for the DI side. That's just a static pressure setting. And then over here, we've got our PI regulator with the vacuum/boost reference. So under here, pretty much not much has changed, just the exception of the fuel system. Exterior wise, the truck is all stock suspension with the exception of in the rear. I did take out the little block and put the Ford Racing lowering shackles, so sits fairly level. Thought about doing a lowering kit, but you know, it's my daily driver, so I think I'm just going to keep it at this ride height for now. It cuts 1.7, 260 foots in 4-wheel drive, so probably just going to leave it alone for now as far as ride height and suspension. Just moving on to the inside here. Truck does have a full audio system. You know, it's an STX model, so it's pretty basic from the factory. So one of the first things I did before tuning was available was decided to put a system in the truck. So it's all JL Audio components as far as amplifiers. They're all DSP equipped. Under here, the box, you can kind of see it. It's got 4 down-firing shallow mount 10-inch subs, and then just up front, just still utilizing the factory infotainment center. Nothing crazy here, but just so you can see that it is a full-weight truck. It's not gutted out. Still retains all the factory equipment here. All right, again, just moving inside the truck here. You know, got the little Dragy up there. Use that every once in a while. LRX, I just keep it hooked up just to monitor things, and then if I do end up doing a quick hit, I can data log it for Alex over at Lund. You can see here, did weigh the truck officially, 5,320 pounds without me in it. I'm 200 pounds, so 5,520 pounds. 12 pounds of boost, V85, Lund Racing tune, and DA on my new personal best was a little over 1,400 feet. My previous best was in negative 1,400 feet on 93, and that was 11.2. So I'm pretty certain that this truck will go 1050s the way it sits in, you know, really good negative DA mine shaft air, if you will. But for a daily driver, I mean, I can't be more happy with how the truck turned out. No real future plans as far as adding any more power. At some point, I'll probably pick up a spare transmission and build that just to have it in case I do want to pulley down, you know, see if I can get this thing in the low 10s. But for a daily driven truck, I really don't think there's any need to really push it. You know, this thing will pretty much run with anything on the street from a dig, you know, with the exception of you know, maybe some of the Model S Plaids, Lucid Sapphires, stuff like that. But any questions you guys have, just feel free to drop them down below, and appreciate you guys watching.